How to change cover photo on Facebook without posting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change a cover photo on Facebook without posting, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to change cover photo on Facebook without actually posting them, all you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to launch the Facebook app here. And once you launch your Facebook app, you just want to come to your profile page here. When you come to your profile page, let's say you have a cover photo here in this case which was uploaded in the past. Now you think it's time to change it, you want to update it, but at the same time you don't want to notify anybody that you've changed a cover photo. So for this to be happen, tap on the option, tap on upload photo. Now if there is an existing photo from your Facebook also, you can choose a select a photo in Facebook option to choose one of the photos as your profile picture or your cover photo, otherwise you can tap on it, tap on select photo in Facebook, then just tap the uploads tab, or you can just go to photos option and then you can just select upload photo and so on. When you select a certain photo and then you want to add them as cover photo, the very important thing here is you want to check this option that says share your update to newsfeed. You can say it's checked by default. When this is checked, other people will get notified and this will get posted on your timeline. But of course we want to avoid that, so all we have to do is uncheck this. Make sure that this is unchecked and then only tap the save option. This way other people will not be notified even if you change your cover photo. So this way you can change cover photo on Facebook without posting. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.